Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of this tutorial series of information technology for class 10th. We are studying the chapter word processing, and in the previous part of this video we have already seen that how to modify layout of a paragraph. And layout of a paragraph can be modified by using four options. The first one is alignment, second is by setting the indents, third is by setting the line spacing between the lines of a paragraph. Today we are going to discuss the option tabs. What are tabs basically? Tabs are used to set the position of tab stops. Now again the question arises, what is a tab stop? So what is a tab stop basically? Tab stop is a position where your cursor gets stopped when you are pressing the tab key of the keyboard. See this image of keyboard. Here in the left side of the keyboard we are finding this tab key. So whenever you are pressing tab key on the computer's screen while typing in any of the editor, your cursor jumps number of spaces defined by a particular software. By default its value is set to 5 spaces. Let's see it practically. So this is my word document. I'm writing some word over here. मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा first. Now what I'm doing over here, I'm going to press my tab key. So now I'm going to press the tab key of my keyboard, and you will see my cursor is jumped with number of spaces. So by default its value is 5 spaces. Now I'm writing another word over here. Again I am pressing my tab key. So it is again moved 5 spaces, and now I am writing the third word. So like this is the default behavior of your tab key. So if you want to increase or decrease the value of tab stops, that can be done using the tabs option of paragraph. Now see how to do it. So for performing this task, first you have to move on to the paragraphs group of this ribbon. Then we are going to click on this small icon provided at the right corner of this group. As we are going to click over this option, see now I am clicking on this option. I clicked over here. We'll be getting a window on the screen. Previously also we have seen this window. This is the window associated with your paragraph option, and at the bottom of this window we are getting the option tabs over here. Now I'm going to click on this tabs option. So I clicked on this tabs option. Another window appeared on my screen with the title tabs over here. And from here we can set the tab stop positions. See, we can define tabs with different values also. By default, whenever you are pressing tab key, so tab key is jumping to a definite value with equal size. But when we are going to define tab stops over here, we can specify different values to each tab stop. See how to do it. My first tab stop is at 0.5 inch. Now this, how to measure this 5.5 inch? You have to see this ruler line. Means whenever you are going to press a tab key, it is going to jump 0.5 inch over here. So now what I want, my first tab stop should be at 1 inch. So I am writing this 1 inch over here. 1 inch I written, and then set it. So my first tab stop position is defined over here. Now what I want, my second tab stop position should be at 2.5 inch. So I am writing 2.5 inch over here and setting my value over here. And next position I want is 3.5 inch. So I am writing 3.5 inch and I am setting it. And the tab stop that you want to remove, that can easily be removed by selecting them from here and just pressing on clear button. And when you are going to type text at this stop positions, you can set the alignment of the text also, whether it can be aligned left, center, right, like this. Now we are going to click on this OK button. So I press this OK button. Now you will find a difference on your ruler line, that you are getting this L-shaped options over here. What are these L-shaped options? They are the tab stops. They are the position where your tab key is going to be stopped. See, I have created 3 tabs over here, and on the ruler line you can view them very easily. So this is the way we can set the tab stops. Now I am writing some text over here. So first I am writing serial number. I press tab key, my tab key stopped over here. Then I am writing name, then class, and then %. अगेन यहाँ 1 लिखा मैंने, यहाँ पर मैंने कोई नाम दे दिया, मैंने यहाँ पे क्लास दे दिया. Now see, without making use of table, we are writing a table which is in the form of a table using tab stops. So like this you can create such types of data using tab stops. So this is the way to set the tab stops. Now if you want to remove this tab stops, if you want to remove all these positions, then we have to again move on to this paragraph section, move on to the tabs option, and then if you want to clear all the tabs, just press the button clear all. All tabs will get clear and you will find, see this, your ruler line, it is almost clear. So this is the way we can use this tab stop option of Microsoft Word. Thank you.